Time now for your forewarned weather with Garrett James.
All right, checking back in with Garrett James here this evening. Garrett, we've got a potential of some wet weather here on the way.
Oh yeah, that's exactly right, Sarah. And another thing, not just wet weather, in the upper elevations around 10,000 feet, there's even the potential for a little bit of snow. And I know what you're thinking, snow way, am I right? However, there is a way. Let's go ahead and take a look. We do have a little bit of rain out there at the present time. In fact, few thunderstorms right now in the southwestern part of Wyoming and the far northeastern parts of the Beehive State right now. In fact, we can see a few of those lightning strikes right along the I-80 corridor, but the bulk of the lightning strikes are in Grand County, north of Moab, around the I-70 corridor. But in southern Utah, things are looking dry at the present time, as that moisture is just a little bit further to the north, and it's really just limited there. That's why the bulk of the rain chances have stayed to the north at the present time. Now, overnight tonight, we are going to be drying out just a little bit, but by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, more showers and a few thunderstorms are going to develop. This is a look at 3 o'clock. We can see along and north of I-80 is where the best rain chances are going to be. In fact, that's where the best thunderstorm chances are going to be as well. In fact, we can see maybe a few stronger thunderstorms in the southwestern part of Wyoming, but I really do anticipate that the bulk of this is going to be isolated like it was today. Maybe an isolated shower or a thunderstorm in southern Utah can't be ruled out, but for the most part, it looks like it's going to be central and northern Utah seeing the action once again. That is until we get to Thursday morning, and let's play a game of I Spy. I spy a cold front just to the east of Elko and between there and Ely. That's about 6 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, and it is a slow-moving cold front, and it will eventually work its way further into the Beehive State, but as it does so, it will provide more shower and thunderstorm chances all across the Beehive State. So let's go ahead and take a look at those thunderstorm chances. We can see Wednesday and Thursday a general risk, but Thursday it really hovers right along the I-15 and I-80 corridors and to the north. And it's all thanks to this big low pressure system that's heading our way. It's going to slowly work its way into the area, and as it does so, it is going to provide those thunderstorm chances. But take a look at the Uintas. There is a little bit of blue in there, signifying that we are going to be looking at the chance for a little bit of snow. Maybe towards about Thursday, Friday morning, we could see a little that direction. And there we can see just that blue blob right there, signifying that just a lighter amount of snow will be possible in the upper elevations. Temperatures now in the 50s and 60s, but lows tonight we'll see the 50s and 40s primarily. 60 for Salt Lake, 61 St. George. However, highs tomorrow, 84 Salt Lake City, 88 St. George, 76 Kanab. So temperatures certainly getting closer to more fall-like, but take a look at Friday. Upper to mid 60s going to be possible for the Wasatch Front Friday and Saturday. Rain chances do clear out in time for the weekend, and it's going to be a nice fall-like weekend. Then by the time we get to next week, back to the 80s. St. George, on the other hand, not quite as cool, however, certainly very comfortable temperatures, with temperatures staying in the mid to low 80s and upper 70s.